Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a cool intro inside Capcut. So first of all, open your Capcut inside your PC or mobile phone. The process is pretty simple and same in both of them. So import your this is basically a free template. You might get it inside the comment section or the description. So as you can see, this is basically a cool intro template. Let's say I want to make intro on this template. So what I need to do is just first of all select this clip and scroll down and you just need to go inside the blend settings. Open the blend setting, you will see like this. Just click on it and just select screen mode. Once you have selected the screen mode, next thing is just go inside the text section, click on add text and paste it somewhere between let's say 15 points, like maybe near. We'll adjust it later and just add your text. Let's say I want to make an intro, so you can just write down cool intro. Just write down the text that you want to add, choose the font from this section, choose the color and stroke and everything that you want to go with. Once you're done with everything, so make sure to paste it somewhere like this, and just go inside the animation section of the text and just select type 2 and set their duration to 1.5. So once you do that, you just need to paste the video above the text, or I will say the intro section above the text. So once you do that, basically our text is appearing earlier. So I will move it like this. And once I play it, so as you can see, this looks pretty cool. Otherwise, you can move it further. And let me just play again. And it looks pretty cool. Otherwise, you can just increase the animation to 2 seconds as well, depending on whatever fits best for you. Let me just play again. So as you can see, this looks pretty cool. You can adjust the duration and everything. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do that.